I'm going to get my little campfire tickling away happily now. We've got loads of dead trees around, which is great, so you can just snap the branches off and it's nice and dry wood on the inside. It burns an absolute beauty. It doesn't take much effort to actually snap the twigs into burnable chunks. So I think now's the time to get our hammock set up. Oh, I'm hoping to sleep like a baby in a crib tonight. Hey! I wonder if he likes curry. Well everyone, I think that's me for tonight. I'm going to get myself all snugly in my hammock here, watch the last of the fire and get some well-deserved shut-eye. Thanks for joining me on this evening's camp, and I will see you guys in the morning, alright? Good night.